Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be walking you guys through this strategy step by step on how you guys can use it to scalp 20 to 30 candles in this boom and crash index. Okay, and this strategy right here is just a simple strategy which you can use. So I'm going to be explaining everything on how you guys can use it, including the settings and how you can trade with the strategy. Okay, so stick around and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also like this video. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you want to do is just to click on this icon we are seeing at the top. So this is where you are going to be adding our indicator up. So the first indicator is going to be the moving average. So the moving average is the parameters for the moving average. Period should be 20, shift should be 0, methods exponential, apply to close, and for start using equal level choice and click on save. That is the first settings. Now for the second settings, which is going to be the moving average as well. So click on this F icon you are seeing at the top. So click on the moving average. Then the period will be 10, shift to be 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and for style using color of choice, click on save. So that is that for the moving average. Now for the indicator window one, which is stochastic oscillator, click on this F icon again. Search for stochastic oscillator and these are the parameters. KPL should be 5, DPL should be 3, slow should be 3, price should be low / high. Methods is for input, and for the style don't necessarily need the style. What we need is the levels. Level should be 15 and 85. Go back and click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is going to be the moving average. So click on this F icon right here. Search for moving average and these are the parameters. Now for the moving average, the period should be 12, shift should be 2, method should be linear weighted, apply to weighted close. For the style using level choice, click on save. Now for the last but not the least indicator, which is going to be the moving average as well. So click on this icon right here, search for moving average and these parameters. Period should be 50, shift should be 2, linear weighted, method, apply to weighted close. For the style using the choice, click on save, and that is all the settings we need for the strategy. So guys, if you want to participate on the challenge of turning 10,000 to 100,000 within the next 30 days, and the challenge is available for every single trader, which means that if you have $10, $20, minimum of $5 in your account, if you have it in your Deriv account, or if you don't have a Deriv account, you can just use the link in the description down below, so you can sign up or create an account and deposit as little as you have. Then you can join the challenge, and then I'm going to be dropping every single settle that I'm going to be trading, and on the group is absolutely for free. No signal is paying for, no mentorship, or no account management. Everything is absolutely for free, so you can participate by using the link in the description down below, so you can see. And if you do have a Deriv account yet, you can also use the link to create your own Deriv account. Okay, so everything is set. So let's dive into the strategy. Now, how does this strategy work? So it's very simple and it's very straightforward. So let's use the recent price action as an example. So right now you can see that the price is currently moving downwards, and how do you now catch this type of candle here on this Boma crash index? So it's very simple. So what you are going to be doing is that whenever you want to trade, you always want to see when there is moving average touching the 12 levels of the stochastic oscillator, which is the main thing we are looking out for. So once we see that, then we are now looking for the crosses to happen within the moving average. So crosses must happen between the moving average, and we can see it happen right at this area. Okay, so let me change the color so we can see it happen right at this area. So this is where the crossover happens. So after that crossover, then we look into our main chart. So if I should bring this out, you can see that this is where crosses. This is the candle that was responsible for the crosses, which we can see this candle right here. So at this candle right here, after this candle close, then you can see that it close and break below the moving average on our indicator window one, and same thing as well on our main chart is also cross each other. So after we see these crosses, then the next thing we are now looking at for is to wait for some candles to close. Okay, we are looking for 3 to 4 candles to close after there was a cross between the moving average on our main chart. We're looking for 4 to 3 candles close. So after that candle close, that is when we are now taking to enter for our sell trades, and you are looking for 20 to 30 candles to catch, and then you close your positions. Okay, so that is how we trade with this strategy. So let me go to crash, and I'm going to show you guys an example on crash as well, and we are going to be using the recent price action as an example as well. Now you can see the price is currently moving. So how do we participate in this price moves? What we are going to be doing is we are just looking out for the moving average to come and touch the 15 levels, which happens right at this area. So after that, we are looking for cross happens between the moving average. So when the cross happens, then we look into our main chart and we are looking for the same thing. We are looking for the cross happens between the moving average on our main chart. After that, then we wait for 3 to 4 candles to close. So after that candle close, then that is when we are now going to be taking our trades. Okay, we enter for our buys. We aim for 20 to 30 candles and we close our positions. That is how we trade with the strategy. Very simple and it's very straightforward. So that is that guide, and this strategy again works on all the crash index. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like this video and turn on post notification anytime posting strategy. You guys will be here. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.